Fuck. Oh shit. Bees, man. Or hornets. Or wasps. I gotta tell those people, man. That was excruciating. Holy shit. Wow. There's probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 on my leg. Fuck, it hurt, man. They were just stuck there, fucking just stinging me. Whew. Interesting though that I looked at different times, but didn't seem to get a rise out of my heart rate, which was interesting. Alright, I'm over the bee stings. They hurt. They hurt like for sure. And that's it. I'm right where I want to be. I'm running in big canoe. I'm running on some hills. Perfect day, man. Perfect day. The only thing that would make it better is if I was doing a long run today. I'm to the turnaround point, and I know I'm pretty far away from the Womack trailhead, so I'm thinking I might just turn around here and kind of call it a day. It's a big ass nest, man.